Hey, it's Dave, that old Nerf guy, and today we're checking out the new Helios in red, also available in blue. Welcome to Tag. At last, the Helios available in red and blue. This was like the successor of the Apollo back then when it was released in the Phantom Corp, and now it's officially like a base blaster, the base entry blaster if you want a reliable one, in the red team and blue team. But first thing first, let's check what's in the box, and we're gonna take a look at the blaster. Right out of the box, we got the blaster itself, the 7-round magazine, the 7 high impact round, some instruction, and the bolt, which you can insert on the left or on the right, fully ambidextrous. This is nice. This thing is exactly like the previous one. There's no new trick to it, no new release or anything. This is just like a repaint, a reskin. This is a very good blaster. This thing cranks with one finger. You can install with a small button the bolt on the left, on the left or on the right, depending if you're righties or lefties. This thing never jams. Works with both the 7-round and the 12-round magazine. Nope. Design is nice. This is like an updated Apollo. I really do prefer this one in the mag-fed blaster on the Springer one. No, this is a neat addition. At last in red. Red is the best color. And this I prefer on the other side. For me, this is the kind of blaster you use like dual wielding. You can easily prime it, shoot, bolt hand. Nope, this is a good one. It might feel not just a little, but a lot smoother. Like there's a lot less click everywhere. Everything seems more refined than on the Phantom Corp version, but this thing, I know it feels great. Okay, I was not going to try it out, but yeah, let's try it out on the ball catch. See if it's still on par as before, because it's a lot smoother to prime and do a lot less noise. I don't think it's less powerful, but I still want to try it because this is the neat design that we are to expect in Rival blaster. Maybe the stock's a little short, but this is a very short blaster. If you want to play sniper in a Rival round, I know they're coming out with the new sniper rifle bolt action, but I think this one does the job for any sniper. Normally sniper use either this one or an Apollo. No, this is great, and it looks nice. Painted both sides. Very nice. Okay, let's go try it on the ball catch. As expected, this is precise, this is powerful, this is relatively compact, and it works with both size magazine. Nope. Let this thing work more smoothly than my previous one. Maybe they refined the interior. I haven't checked it out. Maybe it's better finish or anything, but everything feels more tight, a lot more like the new Hypno. So maybe it's a standard for new blasters. I don't know, but I think this is a good news. Yeah, it's a repaint. Yeah, it's like a reskin, and we have to await another one that is gonna come out with a 30 round drum, but still, in my book, next to the Chronos, this is this one in the Springer. The Chronos is like my favorite of all time, but this one is my second favorite Springer, because in the MacFed one, this has always been my favorite. So yes, go for it if you don't already have one, or if you already have one and absolutely want it in your color. This is also available in blue. Already available in Phantom Corp, and is gonna be soon available in the Edge line. Please leave a like and share if you like the video. Subscribe for more content. I'm gonna have a subscribers only section very soon. You can always follow me on Facebook at That Old Nerf Guy. See you next time. Bye.